Hi, my name is Klida. This is Klida from Goodlink. We are OEM EV charger factory in China, and here is our exhibition in global sources. Welcome to our booth. And this
so here is
our,
2-car charger on one?
Yeah, 2-car charging. Yeah, you can charge in your car home, and for business is also okay.
And what is the power, total power?
7 kilowatt, 7 kilowatt, total 14.
14. Do you have higher, 11 kilowatt?
Yes, the max we can do 22 kilowatt.
Ah, it's possible this one, 22?
Yeah, for one gun.
And what do we see here? This portable charger?
And this is a portable EV charger. And in Switzerland, use the Type 2 European standard, and we have the CE, UKCA TV certification. Yeah.
Nice.
Ensuring the charging safety. And
what is this one?
And this is the wall-mounted model. Yeah, you can clearly see the charging status in here, and with the sweep car function. Yeah.
Is it expensive?
Yes, but we are also a source factory of this, so our price is very affordable. Yeah.
How good the price? What is MOQ?
MOQ, if you don't need to customize your logo, the MOQ is 5 pieces. If you want to customize your logo, the MOQ is 100 pieces.
Nice.
Yeah.
So if I don't want Goodlink, but I want nothing, it's possible 5 pieces?
Yeah, we have neutral logo EV charger in here.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what is this?
And this is the DC fast charger.
How fast?
The max we can do 14 kilowatt. Maybe charging 1.5 hours can charging for a car.
14 kilowatts.
Yeah.
And are these also portable?
Yeah, or portable EV charger. And this is in the North American. In Sweden, use the Type 2 European standard.
Yeah.
Type 2.
Nice.
Yeah, Switzerland.
What?
And here are 2 buttons. One is can change the current in here, and this is the delayed charging time in here. And this is the other country language. Yeah, we can customize the language.
Nice. And do you have different design?
Yeah,
like
this is a new arrival wall mounted. Yeah.
What is Dude special about this?
Yeah, this is the size of this is will be small other wall mounted model.
So you can have your card.
A car I have, yes.
And then you have a...
Let me check the car. 卡片在哪呀? Here's the car, and you can shift the car, and you can clearly see the charging status.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you do a wireless.
And this is our new arrival model. We decide to open this mode or this mode. Which appearance are you like?
Oh, I like this.
I like this. Okay.
It's cool.
Many are so this mask is very nice.
Yeah, it's nice. This one has 2.
Oh no, this is
just one.
This is only the first show without cable, and this is the 2 guns. When you go to the public charging station without cable, they use these products.
Nice. And this is adapters?
Yeah.
Does it show what is inside to have a stable power?
Wall mounted, and this is we have the TV certification, and this is 22 kilowatts. Yeah.
Is it very expensive to have 22 kilowatt charger?
22 kilowatt charger is about $185 per piece.
And 11 kilowatt?
11 kilowatt is about $160.
And 7
kilowatt is about $130. Yeah.
Nice. And these adapters are for many different combinations?
Yeah, when you go to the public charging station, your car the interface are incorrect. You need to use the adapter to change the incorrect.
Nice.
And this is the connect to the car, and you can
connect to the home plug.
Out the
this is slow charge, right?
Yes.
Cool. We even have this one.
Yeah, this is the North American. Yeah, in your country, the Type 2 is more common.
Nice. Where is your factory?
In Dongguan.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.